A very good afternoon. I am Vatsal and you are watching Titanium News channel. Right now I am standing in Shilpgram Fair. Shilpgram is the center of art and culture which is situated 3 kilometers west from the city center of the City of Lakes. City of Lakes, as you all know, Udaipur. This is the place where you can come and experience the old tradition and culture of ancient India. Here you can come and enjoy the folk dance, the folk songs and fair. So now let us come and talk with the visitors who are visiting from different states, and many foreigners are also here, so let us talk with them. Here we have one foreigner with us. What is your name, ma'am?
안녕하세요. My name is Kim Soya. I'm from South Korea.
Okay, so where did you come to know about Shilpgram festival?
Actually, I was in my hotel and my hotel manager told me Shilpgram is a unique fair for visitors. So that's why I came here.
Okay, it's a nice experience. So what are the special experience that you are bringing with you to South Korea?
Yeah, actually, I often hear about that Indian culture. It is so vibrant and colorful. So it was a golden opportunity for me to experience this diverse culture at one place. And here is so many varieties of handicrafts items, and and here vibe is a totally village like kind of
Yeah,
vibe,
it's a traditional life.
and I like Indian culture, Indian dress up, Indian people, and also I like Indian dish. The dish like a big chapati. It is so salty and tasty.
Yeah, are you talking about papad?
Yeah, papad.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
called papad.
Okay, papad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So thank you for giving your precious time and enjoy your day. Here we have another visitors with us. So let us come and talk with them. What is their experience about Shilpgram festival? Ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Jarusha.
Okay. What is your profession?
I'm a teacher.
Okay, and these are your students.
Yes, these are my students.
Okay. So why you decided to bring your students to Shilpgram festival? What is the reason behind it?
Main reason behind to bring children here is that is to experience, to know and get the knowledge of our tradition, culture and rituals.
Okay, it's a educational tour.
Okay.
So now come and let's talk with the students also. What is their experience about Shilpgram? So what is your name?
My name is Khushbu Dange.
Okay, Khushbu, what are the things that you saw first time in your life while visiting Shilpgram fair?
Yes, Shilpgram is a culture program and I show first time variety of handicraft different from state, and I show folk dance and folk song by people.
Okay, you have a great experience. Here we have another student. What is your name?
My name is Madhu.
Okay, in which class do you study?
I'm in 12th class.
Okay, so what have you learned from Shilpgram festival and fair? This is organizing by the Ministry of Culture, as we know. That what have you learned from this fair?
I learned how vibrant and colorful is our culture, and I saw that how people are living in less resources,
Yeah.
and I saw that the people are very happy, enjoy this culture also.
Okay, thank you for talking with us. Here we have an artist with us. So she is selling some kind of art, and let us talk with her and know about the art which she is selling. So let us talk with us. What is your name?
My name is Poonam Soni.
Okay, so where are you from?
I am from Bihar.
Okay, so can you tell about your art that you have prepared?
Yes, I have Madhubani art. I have a Madhubani art painting shop in Bihar, and Madhubani art is a very beautiful art. It's made by the different women's. Madhubani art made on paper and canvas.
Okay, so this art is also done on cloth or only on paper?
No, it's both.
It is done on both.
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell the price of this art? So if our viewer also wants to buy this, so it's very easy for them.
Yes, sir. Why not? I will define the quality of my art and costing of my art. The Madhubani art is not too much expensive and not too much low prices. It's affordable prices. If anyone want to purchase this art, it is a very comfortable for them. Because the Madhubani art is made on paper and canvas, the both art prices is different. Paper art is not too much expensive, but canvas print is expensive because it's work on very minor art.
Okay, so it's total depends on the size of the art and the art done on the material.
Yes, sir. It's depends on the fabrics and the material, because nowadays the raw material is very expensive. So it's but it's not too much expensive. It is middle range of the art.
Okay, so thank you for talking with us. I also request cameraman to show this art with zoom view. So here we have managing director of Shilpgram Festival, Mr. Ritik Ameta. So let us talk to him. Hello, sir.
Hello.
So, sir, as we see here, huge crowd enjoying the festival. So, how you are? What are the precautions measure that you are taking here, and how you are managing with COVID-19 in this situation, sir?
Yeah, Shilpgram administration is very cautious about because nowadays the winter vacations are there, so more crowds are coming. So we are Corona pandemic is so now we have put online facilities, ticket facilities, also offline facilities are available, and also in fair we put loudspeakers in the fair. Regularly announcement COVID precautions like wear face masks, manage social distancing. So that's all.
I would also like to ask the fare of the festival, and my another question is that in the guideline of Ministry of Culture, they denoted that the COVID vaccination certificate of double dose is mandatory in this festival. So this guideline is completely following here, or it's partially applied here?
Yeah, this guideline is completely following here. Vaccine certificate is mandatory for all, and yeah, ticket fares 55 rupees per person in local Indian, and for foreigners 110 rupees, and parking fees are extras.
Okay, sir. It's pleasure to talk to you, and thank you for giving your precious time. Here we are with police sub-inspector Aryan Singh. So let's talk with him and we will know that how he is performing his duty. So, sir, how you are performing your duty in this festival?
As I am policeman, my duty make them aware about all the rules and regulation. I suggest, I tell them to keep all the safety measures and prevention, and I try best that nobody face any difficulty.
Okay, thank you for talking. So here you can come and enjoy the festival, but don't forget the COVID guidelines. Use mask, make social distancing, use sanitizer, and for further updates, stay with us, reporter Vatsal with cameraman Ritik Ameta, Titanium News Channel, Udaipur.